Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, we are discussing about writing portion. Or in writing skill, I have taught you many things. I have taught you notice writing, invitation, in that formal and informal invitation, formal and informal replies also. I have taught you letter writing, in that formal letter how you have to write, and informal letter their format. I have taught you article writing, or different articles I have discussed and I have taught you. One more after, and I hope you have understood all the portion in writing portion which I have taught you. Dear students, one more important portion of writing I am going to discuss and teach you, or that is a report writing. Dear students, this report writing you must have read in previous classes, in class 11th also, that how to write a report. But before starting this writing portion, report writing, first of all I want to tell you what is a report. Dear students, a report is a spoken or written account of something heard or seen, done or studied. This report is a vivid expression of personal experience. Report can include almost everything under the sun. News events, experiences, messages, interviews, experiments, and business activities, and many more things come within the purview of reporting. So this report writing has a wide area, and it covers many things. It covers incidents also, events also, many occasions also. Dear students, so you have to know and about this report very clearly. After that, dear students, at your level, reports are of two types. One, newspaper reports. In that report, newspaper reporter name is given and it is written for particular newspaper, or as a newspaper reporter you have to cover that incident, that event, or that report you have to write for the newspaper. Or secondly, second type of report is report for school magazine. So one thing I want to tell you, dear children, that reports are of two types. One, newspaper report, that is written for newspaper and by the newspaper reporters, and second is a report for school magazine. There is a little bit difference in that. whenever you are going to write the newspaper report, so you have to write the newspaper reporter name. With that you have to write the place and date also. Or whenever you are going to write the report for a magazine, so that place and date, event, all these things will be mentioned in content. So these are the important things which you have to keep in your mind. Dear students, when you are going to write a report, certain points you have to keep in your mind. Number one, give a suitable catchy heading. This. So your effort should be that the heading should be very attractive. Or second, newspaper reports should have headline, date, place of origin of news and name of reporter. Or if third point, report for the school magazine carries the writer's name just below the heading. However, the data or the venue of event comes in the content, not in the beginning as it is written in the newspaper report. Next and most important point which you have to keep in your mind, write in third person and be objective. Next point, be sure to include all relevant points. Be brief and systematic. And last point, dear children, that the report should be written in past tense. Because whatever report you make or you write, either about any event or about any incident or about any function or about any celebration, that report you make or prepare or write after the completion of that activity. So it should be in past tense. This thing you have to keep in your mind. Today I am giving you one example of newspaper report, and in that I will tell you that how a newspaper report is written, what things you have to do while writing a newspaper report. Suppose you are Seema, a reporter of Hindustan Times, or you have been asked to cover a daylight robbery. Once again I am telling, suppose you are Seema, a reporter of Hindustan Times, or you have been asked to cover one of the incident, a daylight robbery which took place in Mayur Vihar Colony, New Delhi. So as a reporter, you have to write, you have to report, and you have to write that report in 100 words. So what you have to do first? First of all, I have told you in the beginning that important points, the heading should be very attractive and catchy heading. So here daylight robbery, or after that it should be underlined, and then name of the reporter, Seema ST reporter, or then place venue will be written, where the particular incident took place. So that is Mayur, Bihar. Or date means if it is taken took place today, then 10th October 2020. Or then you have to start कि a daring daylight robbery occurred today in the house of Mr. Suraj Singh at about 2 p.m. after lunch, when his family members were watching television, were enjoying. Mr. Suraj Singh is a businessman, or after taking his lunch, he went to his shop, or at the time when his wife with the children were watching television, at that time, dear children, two masked young men came who had worn mask on their faces. They came, or they knocked the door of Mr. Suraj. Here his wife thought that any relative must have arrived, or when she went at the gate to open, she was completely shocked and surprised to see the two young men wearing masks on their faces. Or she tried to yell, but as both the robbers, they had gun in their hands, or they could not give the chance to her to shout. Or after that, they entered in the house forcefully. They locked the door, or they started asking the key of Almirah safe. Mrs. Singh, she refused to give. After that, they started beating her, or finally she was forced to give. She was compelled to give the key to them. After getting the key, dear students, they locked Mrs. Singh in one of the room with her children, or they opened the Almirah or safe, and they looted 5 lakh cash and all other costly ornaments. After that, they left the house. After this, even they spread all the articles on the floor. Or in all these activities, only it took 30 minutes, or in 30 minutes, a short duration, they completed this this activity. After that, Mrs. Singh, she started shouting, and after listening her voice, the neighbors came, or when they reached to her house, they found that all the things were spread on the ground. Or Mrs. Singh with her children was locked in one of the room. Then the neighbors phoned to police. Police came. But till the time of writing the newspaper, dear children, police could not catch the robbers. So this is the way of writing a news report for the newspaper. First of all, you have to write attractive heading with the name of reporter, then venue, then date, and then all the content in the past. Or it should not be more than, it should be maximum 100 words. Relevant information you have to give. And if you are writing in such way, dear children, so you will get good marks. I will tell you some more samples, some more examples in the next video. I hope whatever I have taught today, you must have understood. Thank you, dear children.